Welcome to the Garden Gist. Today I'm going to show you how I planted my fall garlic. So first you have to loosen the soil. Make sure the soil is very loose. Um, Before planting your garlic, you can mix your soil with either organic fertilizer, or you can also add compost. So after then you have to break your break it into clove, your garlic bulb. So I used Russian red garlic, which is a hard neck. Hard neck is good in my zone because it's very cold. So I am in zone 3A. So this particular hard neck is very pungent in smell, and it does very well in this zone. So breaking it into cloves and planting it into the soil. So when you're planting, make sure the pointed part is facing upwards, because that's where the green stalk is gonna pop up from. So you make your spacing. I use my 2 index fingers to map out my spacing. Then I planted the garlic, each clove into the soil with the pointed part, as you can see, facing upwards. So then cover it lightly with soil. Continue until you get to the very last clove. So here I decided to just do that in a very small space that I have. I don't have much space in my garden, so I make use of every little space. So it depends on if you have a large space, you can plant as many garlic cloves as possible. So I planted just 2 bulbs of garlic in this small area. So after planting, you have to mulch it. The reason is to help preserve the garlic, because it's gonna stay outside for 3 months. 3 months of snow, winter. So make sure you cover with mulch. You can use grass clippings, or you can use straw as your mulch. So spread it, cover it, give it like 1 to 2 inches thick of mulch. After mulching, the next thing is to water the bed. So give it a very good soak, and that will be the first and the last watering that you're going to give to this garlic before spring. So make sure you water it. Here I use my garden hose, spraying it on the bed. Okay. Soak it with water. Make sure you give it enough water. That will be the only time that I'm going to water, because we are entering into snowing period. So during the snow period, you don't have to come out to water, of course. Yeah, so after watering, that will stay, it will grow, the garlic will grow for about a month to establish roots. Then it will go into hibernating. So it will hibernate, stay till early spring. Then the garlic will grow and mature. Like the one that you're seeing is the harvest that I got from that last season. Thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.